Hello and welcome. In today's tutorial, we're diving into the world of ICO solutions and exploring the innovative contributions made by BRDigitech. BRDigitech has revolutionized the way initial coin offerings, or ICOs, are managed and executed in the digital space. By combining cutting-edge technology with streamlined processes, they've created solutions that simplify and secure the ICO journey for both startups and investors. In this video, we'll take a closer look at the unique features of BRDigitech's ICO solutions, how they address key challenges in the ICO process, and why they stand out in the rapidly evolving blockchain industry. Whether you're a blockchain enthusiast, a startup looking to raise capital, or an investor wanting to learn more about ICOs, this tutorial will provide you with the insights you need to understand BRDigitech's game-changing approach. So, sit back, relax, and let's get started on this exciting journey into the world of ICOs. Okay guys, now we will connect our MetaMask wallet. Our wallet is successfully connected. This is our user dashboard, which consists of Buy Now section, Leaderboard section, Referral section, and Transaction History section. Okay, let's move to Buy Now tab. As Buy Now tab shows us live orders, buy section, and latest promotions. Let's move to Transaction tab. Here we can see transaction history of ourself. Let's go to Leaderboard tab. Here we can see top holders. Okay, let's move to Project Updates tab. Here we can see the updates related to the project, as presale has started, so now we will buy some tokens with the help of Solana tokens. After entering amount in dollars, we will then click on Buy button to proceed further. Next, we will transfer the amount of ASOL displayed in the modal to the payment address provided in the modal to proceed with the purchase of BRD tokens. After that, we will see our transaction history to see this transaction. Let's move to Transaction tab to see our latest transaction details. Okay guys, we have purchased BRD tokens with the help of receipt. Now we will purchase BRD tokens using MetaMask wallet. After entering value in dollars, we will then click on Buy Now, so MetaMask will pop up, and then we will confirm the transaction. The transaction confirmed successfully. Now we will see referral system of our ICO project. Now we will copy the referral link, and then we will log out and paste the link in New tab. Now we will first switch account, and then we will again connect our wallet. After connecting wallet, we will then make a purchase of $80 worth tokens. After entering value, we will then click on Buy Now button. Then MetaMask will pop up, and we will then confirm the transaction to proceed further. Now we will see our transaction in the transaction section. Okay guys, now we will log out from this account and we'll log into previous account to see referral status. We have successfully logged into previous account. Here is the referral status, such as your referrals and referrals earning. This way a user can do earning with the help of referral system. That brings us to the end of this tutorial on ICO solutions developed by BRDigitech. We hope this session gave you a clear understanding of how their innovative approach is reshaping the ICO landscape with efficiency, transparency, and trust. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. And if you have any questions or would like to learn more, feel free to drop a comment below. We're here to help. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.